Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is GFM Analyst Group and this is our video on technical analysis of Nasdaq Composite as of October 8, 2021. A very interesting setup has been placed from a technical analysis perspective, and I'm going to cover those within this video and gonna tell you why am I expecting markets to head downwards. That is what I'm expecting, by the way, and it should happen within next week. So let me touch base why. So first, let's look at the retracement. So from this bottom right until the top, I see a 50% retracement around 13,900 level. So let's keep that in mind. First level 13,900, right? And now if you look at this blue curve line that I have drawn, which is based on numerology, I am expecting some downtrend move within next week around 12th, somewhere around October 12th, right? Again, this down move doesn't actually tells us about the price intensity, but if it follows that price intensity as well, then it is coming back to that same level where we have that 50% retracement, right? Now that is second reason for me to expect that fall. Now third reason, there was a gap that was created between September 28 and September 27. If you look at this gap, it has not filled, right? Market usually tends to fill that gap and then either take the other make its direction towards down or up, whatever it is, right? But it has not. So it shows that this is a strong gap and we are going to head down. Look at the other gap that was created here between September 17th and September 20th, right? It had filled. So I'm going to touch base on that gap as well. What's the reason behind this gap and why this both are significant, right? So considering that market is going to head down, right, let's look at Elliott waves perspective. This is the wave count that I have drawn, A, B, C, D, E. I am going to see what should my target be for the F. Now based on my calculations, what I have drawn, which I cannot be sharing in this video, but this is my A, B, C, D. The F point, I can calculate it based on how it has moved so far, and that point also comes at 13,882. 3 points are suggesting that hey, retracement 50% right there. The blue line which I have drawn, which is based on numerology, it is suggesting not the price intensity though, but it is suggesting a downward movement. And again, my Elliott wave calculations are also suggesting 13,882. All these three data points are suggesting that we are going to head down again. The gap was not filled here, so market is weak. Another interesting point is that market has not made any diversions on RSI. Look there, right? If I look at this bottom, now one would say that hey, where do you see that divergence? There is no divergence, but let's look at it from a line chart perspective, right? And you will see that divergence happening, and the price went lower, and look at this RSI is a little higher, so there is a divergence happening on RSI when usually we see a bottom. That has not happened, so I'm expecting that divergence to happen once we go down next week. So that is another another way of looking at this chart from a technical analysis perspective, right? So that is my short-term trade within next 11 days. And now why do I say 11 days? Because if you calculate it from the top until this E point, it's 22 days. Half of it is 11 days is what I'm expecting. So my target of 13,882 should come within 11 days, which is by October 25th. Oh, October 22nd. So that is what I'm expecting within next 11 days. But looking at this blue line that I have drawn, it seems that we should achieve that target within next week. Now back to our medium term goal, that why I looked at this gap, right? Now this has filled. The gap was filled on September 23rd. That is suggesting that hey, I am giving you a sign that I might go down, but I'm gonna come back to this level. So once we hit that level of 66.66%, or based on Elliott wave point F, or again based on the blue line that I have drawn, all the 3 points suggesting that low or the bottom, we should expect a target for a medium term around mid November to touch 15,086, and if we calculate that, it should be around 8% growth from that bottom. So short term, I am short on the market with a target of 13,880, which is close to 4 to 4.5%, and then again go higher from that bottom until 15,086, which is again a growth of 8 to 9%. So that is my technical analysis as of October 8, 2021. So thank you guys for watching this video.